You make the guy needs them coming at me inbox because tell me reach too far now. Me have to tell him say, then I know when we're joking from that. The guy needs them coming at me inbox, oh Roy, you reach too far. We have reggae singers. But me never hear about the reggae singers.
Well, listen, what you need to do, you need to do a video and apologize to all the guys.
Apologize, you bum. You're crazy? You're mad? When me apologize.
Also, I'm bringing Mona Lisa name inside and apologize to her too.
Okay, 2 more minutes.
Whatever you're doing is wrong.
Me must apologize for. I was joking with the guy. Guy needs no semi love them. I was joking.
I was joking too, and I did apologize.
Me not gonna apologize for jokes. You crazy, brother? Me not.
I was joking too, and I did apologize.
Well, tell the person you once you know you're a joke. Thank you very much, blessed. Don't apologize. Just go on.
I did apologize because.
Guys, tell Roger I'm gonna finish with Demisha. Demisha, tell.
Why you calling me Demisha?
Guys, tell George I'm playing with them and Ivan I'm playing with Demisha in one more second, 1 more minute. Demisha got to go. You got to go. You got to go. You bring up people name over here. You know something?
I don't bring up people name. I see you all over on my FYP that you rap the person.
Brother, I don't do the drama. I don't do the drama.
No, but you look like drama. There's drama right big and broad in your face. It's like once you're on TikTok, let me teach you something.
Don't teach me.
Once you are, listen to me carefully. Once you're on TikTok and you're doing well, drama will come your way.
I may run from it. Fancy feet tell me.
No, there is no way you could run from it because from the way they start call your name out there, people will start diss you in the comment section, which that is drama.
No, they're not diss me over here in the comment section.
They're not diss you there, but I'm gonna diss you over there.
Let them diss me over there by your side because your side is drama.
Nah, but I'm buckle out my side. I'm not allowed for this your way. The only thing they must say here is say right now straight.
And all of them who say that, tell them to bring them cat over here and I will make them cat make kittens. Okay, I got to go in 11 seconds.
That's why you pick up for Destiny.
Eh?
Because you want this.
You know,
Destiny cat.
You know, say that's not right to make song for Destiny when you and Destiny used to fuck. Goodbye.
And like what bomb buckler? Eh?
Bye.
Wait.
So guys, tell